Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to REALME GT7. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices. Now you need to download free app called Send Anywhere from this developer, and when it's ready, launch it. Following that, to use those apps, you need to set them up by tapping on the same options in both. Let's start with your Google Pixel one. Tap on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm at the bottom. Continue. Allow in first pop-up. And allow all in the second one. Now tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. Then on REALME, I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. Allow all and whatever you want to in those three. When you finished, hit send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and receive right next to send at the bottom of REALME. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. If you want to access last two categories, contacts and files, you need to choose allow a few more times to access this content. When you finished, hit send next to selected at the bottom to continue. And if you selected any apps to transfer, confirm your choice by choosing OK in this pop-up. Then hit got it and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, hit input key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire, and connect using red receive button over here. If you want to scan the QR code though, you can do that by scanning it with REALME device. In order to allow your camera access, you need to choose this icon of a QR code above user guide. Wait for an ad, close it, and then choose while using the app or only this time in this pop-up about camera access. Lastly, point your device's camera at the code. Close all visible ads. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!